Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're back again with another video. Forgot the glasses, but we are back again with another Gfuel. I don't like those glasses, we're wearing these. I got some new glasses, by the way. These are like some clear ones right here, so those are cool. We're gonna throw those on. We are back again with another. I don't like those ones either. Alright, you know what? We're not wearing glasses today. Welcome back to another Gfuel video, and today I actually went to Walmart, I want to say a couple weeks ago, and I found this right here. This is the Sour Chug Rug, one of my favorite flavors, but inside of the Walmart packets right here. So those are so dope. I've drank a few, but not a lot. But yeah, alright guys, so let's get on into it. So today we have got the Gfuel Energy Formula Doodle Shaker Bling Starter Kit. Includes shaker plus 3 doodles. So this is something the Gfuel recently released, and I think it's sold out, but you can try to go buy it. So it has obviously Gfuel Energy Formula on top. On the side is just this. Why am I shaking, bro? Can you see that? I don't know. I think it's just the way it was born like that, honestly. But yeah, and it says right here, this box has Jerry, Feel Your Life, button, turbine. So yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. This box. Peep the box real quickly, guys. This box is so dope. Look at the box. It's like it's kind of cool. I like it a lot. So I gotta do this quick, but because I'm about to leave soon. So well, my mom is about to leave. So yeah, and I'm using. I have to edit. So yeah, because I use I use Vita to edit, and it's on her phone. So yeah. Anyways. So here we go. So there's all of these characters right here on the bottom, and then it says this. I love the box, so the box is so dope. And then on top it just says Gfuel Energy Formula right there. So yeah, and then on the box it has like all this purpley stuff. And I did use code Danny D because Danny Dorito is my favorite Gfuel reviewer /YouTuber. Gfuel YouTuber. If you hear that squeaking noise, that is actually a mouse. There's been one mouse that's been running around in my house every week. Well, not every week, but it's been running around for like a whole week now, and I finally caught it. So if you hear that squeaking noise, that's why, because there's a mouse in my house that was running around and he got caught, so he's squeaking and he's mad. Alright, so here we go. So we got the box right here. The box is so dope. If we peep the box is so freaking cool. So there's that. But we're gonna open this box up. And also, I forgot, they also come with these packets of energy formula. So if you guys are trying to, you know what I'm saying, if you guys want to pick up Gfuel, use the link in the description below. And if you guys do pick up Gfuel, tag me, and because I'm curious on what kind of stuff you got. So if you guys want me to, tag me on Instagram, which is just James is the Goat. That's my real name if you guys don't know. Not James is the Goat. My real name is James Reader. Okay, so that's why my name is James the Goat on Instagram, not Zebra or whatever. So we got the packets. I'm gonna open these up, and I'm gonna kind of show you what kind of packets we have, because looks like we got some new packets here, because usually I get like these same packets, but it looks like you guys are gonna be getting some more videos of Gfuel soon. Alright. Oh my god, that is a lot of freaking packets. Hold on, come here. Alright. So the first one we got is, we got watermelon Gfuel, baby. Let's go. I actually have been wanting to try this flavor. So we got watermelon right there. Perfect. We got, oh, this is a classic. We got blue ice. I've already tried blue ice, so if you guys want to see that video, find it on my channel. It's somewhere on my channel. Hey, if you guys go to the Gfuel Marathon, it's over where all my Gfuel videos are. But there is blue ice. I've already tried that, like I just said. So we got, oh, this one I haven't tried yet. We've got, I think I haven't tried this. I might have tried this actually. I don't know, but we got, I'm gonna have to find out, but we got rainbow sherbet. So that's pretty dope. And then we got, oh, we got a pineapple one I like. Inspired by FaZe. Rest in peace to FaZe. They ended up leaving Gfuel. Kind of sad, but I'm gonna be the first kid to get my flavor. That's my goal. And if you guys don't know, I'm gonna get my first flavor that I'm gonna get. I'm gonna make a flavor, and the flavor is going to be, it's going to be pina colada and orange. That's what it's gonna be. So kind of like Bahama Mama, because that's like my favorite flavor. But it's gonna be pina colada, orange. So I can't wait. I'm gonna try my hardest, and that's my goal, is to make a Gfuel flavor. And I'm gonna make a hydration tub, so you know, kids like you guys and younger audience and like can try my flavor without, you know, having to worry about caffeine and stuff. Because I know that's hard, you know, not to have it, because you're just a kid and your brain is still developing, and you know, having a lot of caffeine, you're gonna be, it's just not gonna be good. So yeah, anyway, so we got Battle Juice by FaZe. I've actually tried this, it was okay. I didn't really personally like it. Okay, next we have one of the least flavors I don't like. I'm gonna have to try this again though. We've got Tropical Rain, inspired by, I don't know. I think this is inspired by FaZe Timber, I could be wrong. Boom. And we got one of my favorite flavors of all time. This is a flavor that if you guys are trying Gfuel for the first time, you should try this, because this is snow cone. I love snow cone, it's so good. And lastly, we've got a new flavor that I need to try. This is by KSI, one of the biggest YouTubers on the platform. We got strawberry banana. I kind of wish, I really want to try that orange creamsicle. I don't know about this flavor, but yeah. So those are all of the flavors that you do get. I'm definitely going to be excited to try these. Obviously some that I haven't tried. I still have a lot that I have not tried. But there we go. So those are all of the, you know, packets and stuff like that you get. All right, so now let's open up this. All right, boom. So here is the shaker cup, and I did open everything already because I wanted to make this kind of fast. All right, so right off the bat, we have got the bracelet. Not a bracelet. I like to call it a bracelet for the shaker cup. So here it is. So first we've got the wind little thing. I think this is the Gamma Labs logo. I could be wrong. I think it's a Gamma Labs logo. Right here we've got Jerry, and then we've got Feel Your Life. So those are pretty dope, and if you get more of those little pins, you can put them on these little holes right here, so that's dope. And then inside we've got the shaker cup. That is so cool, man. All right, I'm gonna shut this box because why not? There we go. I'm gonna shut the box. So we got this shaker cup right here. Right off the bat, it feels nice. It feels good. It looks cool as heck. So we got all of these like emojis on it and stuff like that. So we got like a rainbow, an alien, this little robot dude. I don't know. Okay. We got whatever that is. Is that a cat? I don't know. We've got a bull, I think. Is that Among Us? We've got Among Us. We've got a lot. I think they're mixing in some video games too. We got a bone. We've got like that is so cool. We got like a gaming controller up there. They should add like a FaZe logo or something. We got like an orange right there. This is a cool shaker cup. This damn thing is so dope. Alright, and then obviously right there on the side it just says Gfuel energy formula. So the top is white and purple, so that's kind of weird. They should have made the top like the whole like this design, but it's all good in the hood. So we're gonna open this up, and I think it's purple because this matches the purple right here. But and that's kind of weird. So we've got the ice blender thing, which is, if you guys don't know, this helps your G Fuel from like scooping up the ice or whatever. Like this helps like with the ice in your cup and stuff. So people say you're supposed to have like 3 to 4 ounces of ice. I don't follow that rule because I love my G Fuel nice, icy cold. So I go about maybe 10 ice cubes because I love my G Fuel cold. So yeah, I don't want it hot and all that. So pretty cool. We got the little blue thing, and then it actually just goes in the shaker cup, as most shaker cups have like a ball inside of it. So yeah, smells nice, and I might be making G Fuel later. Guys, I do have a gaming channel, so definitely go check that out. It is in the description below. So if I'm not posting a lot on this channel, I'm posting a lot on my gaming channel, so definitely go check it out. I will be doing a walkthrough stream for Fallout 4, so you guys might be seeing me drinking out of this shaker cup. But yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it. So now what we need to do is we need to put this on the shaker cup. If I can, trying. So there it is, guys. We got it on with the thing right here. So that is so cool. But anyways, guys, it has been your boy Zebra. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. I'm not going to be trying any of these packets because I am actually really sensitive to caffeine because I do have anxiety and I do have ADHD and all that. So I am sensitive to caffeine. So not right now. I will try this flavor right here or any of the other flavors. Like I've tried a couple of the flavors in there, but not right now am I gonna try some of the flavors because I'm waiting a while because right now I'm sticking with my hydration formula, and I am excited for that Nick A30 formula, and you best believe I am gonna be getting that formula, and I am gonna be doing a video on that formula. Alright, it's been your boy Zebra, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys go check out my gaming channel now. Alright, I'm joking, but go check it out, seriously. So bye.